Jeff, when it comes to getting the right credit card, I know there are things that you look at: annual fee, read the fine print, the bells and whistles that make sense to you. But what are some things that we really should know about that maybe we don't?
Well, a couple of things. One is really the perks, some of the perks that are available for your particular card, and that's going to be outlined in any agreement, but also the costs associated with that particular card. So if we want to talk about the perks, there are some cards that are going to offer you some type of insurance, maybe on an item that you purchased, and you know, we all go to the electronics store and they will try and sell us some insurance product that's going to last us for 3 years or something along those lines.
Always.
But it may not be pertinent if you have it or you buy it with that particular card. Also maybe some travel insurance, all those sorts of things may be incorporated into your particular card, and that's a bonus. There are some cachet cards which cost a lot of money on an annual basis, and they can go in above $300 a year, $400 a year. But then there's other ones that have annual fees of absolutely zero. And it's really the perks associated or the advantages associated with that particular card that are going to drive where the fees are, where the fees aren't.
And something else I was thinking or wondering about, if I have a primary card and I get you a secondary card, does that mean additional costs as well, and can those vary?
Yes. Yes and yes.
Yes and yes.
Yes and yes.
I thought so.
Because in some cases, yeah, they want to encourage spending, so they may not, or they may give you one free supplemental card. But in other cases, well, there's benefits associated with this card, so yes, you're going to have to pay a fee, but typically it's lower than the originator's annual fee.
So when I sum up and I think about the biggest bang for your buck, sure, it's getting the right card at the right cost with the right bells and whistles, but in a perfect world, you pay it off every month.
Absolutely, and if you can't pay it off every month, we say this at Consolidated all the time, at least try and pay it off within 60 to 90 days. Because if you leave it and you're only paying the minimum, it could cost you triple what you originally thought you were paying for the item.
For that one item.
For that one item.